Alright, so on my 2013 Audi A4 Quattro with the 2.0 engine, I was having misfire cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. So I replaced the plugs, I replaced the coils, still nothing. I replaced the injectors, nothing. So I was still having a misfire. As I was driving, it would go away, it would come back, and so on. My problem was that the connector on the ECM had moisture. That moisture actually came from the heater valve. So the heater valve was barely leaking through the seam into the plug and was traveling through the wire into the connector on the ECM. So if you have any Audi, doesn't matter the year, or Volkswagen that has the 2.0 engine, check those ECM wires, the connectors, because it could probably be it. Inspect your heater valve and see if it's barely leaking. Unplug it, look at the plug, and you'll see that's where the misfire is coming from because of the ECM connector. I even checked the compression on cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and cylinder number 4. They were all at 180, so that's perfect. So this heater valve is actually hooked up right next to the transmission. It's got two nuts that holds it in place. It's got heater hose on one side, heater hose on the other side. And the problem with this heater valve is that it leaks right in the seam. And then it leaks also inside the plug, as you can see. And then the plug itself is dirty. It's got corrosion. It travels through the cable into the ECU, which the ECU is actually located under the washer fluid container. So once you remove the washer fluid container, you'll have a cover with 3 bolts. Once you remove those, you have access to the wiring harness. The first one is clean, the second one not so clean. As you can see, it's got water residue. I took the ECM out and there's water residue there also. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get electronic cleaner and we're gonna spray it. Let it sit for a minute or two and clean it with a rag. Also spray it one more time. If you have a pick, you could try to clean it gently, or a toothbrush. You could scrub it as much as you can, dry it off, spray it again until it looks really good. We're gonna do the same thing with the ECU. I'm gonna spray it. Now on this side, you have those little pins. They bend very easily. So I would do it with a toothbrush and be gentle. Scrub it softly side to side, not up and down, just side to side. Let it dry. You could use like an air hose and clean as much as you can. Spray it again with a connector cleaner. Let it sit for a minute or two and keep doing it over and over until it looks good. Inspect those pins before you put them back together. If by any chance one of those pins are a little bit bent, try to get a pick and bend it where it looks straight. But like I said, be very gentle. If you like my video, subscribe, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And more content coming your way.